Mothership's production assets have been installed and are now operational. Engineering is working hard to integrate new production modules, but for now, current shipbuilding options remain limited. The Kalan raiders we encountered are the last remnants of a Tidani vassal state, so it's no surprise that they still hate us, and that their carrier was an older, obsolete design.
Obsolete or not, hyperspacing through a solid object, that shouldn't be possible. How did they learn to do that?
We have to assume the worst, that whoever is orchestrating the hyperspace attacks and the anomaly are outfitting and enhancing these raiders to stop us. We need to get to the Noctua 27 system as fast as possible.
If we can access the Kesura gate, I should be able to get us to our destination undetected.
Optimal strategy, Command. Well done. And I was impressed to see you getting a handle on combat. You had me worried after that first encounter.
I'm still struggling with it all. The losses. But I don't want to forget them.
May the burden remain.
Sorry?
It's an old Pactu saying. Even in victory, there is loss. Forget that, is to forget them. May the burden remain.
May it remain. I'm plotting a course to cross the Great Boreal Sea in a single jump. Setting quantum waveform damping fins to maximum. Stand by. Again?
Focus, child. Bend hyperspace to your desires.
This must be neural failure. Multi-reality personality reintegration.
Impose your will. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door!
Focus, Imogen. Hyperspace complete.
Your vitals are spiking again, Command. Are you okay?
Yes, having a minor glitch in the navigation system intel. It keeps taking me by surprise, but I should be able to iron it out with the next jump.
Understood, Command. Keep me in the loop.
Wait, something is wrong here. The gate is offline. Initiating diagnostic scans. This gate wasn't shut down by the anomaly or random damage. It's been deliberately sabotaged.
All you, send.
3 gate control modules, or GCMs, have been disconnected. All 3 must be reconnected to charge the primer and ignite the gate. The first GCM is located here. Use resource controllers to connect this gate control module. This is a very large AO. Recommend putting our strike craft into groups to improve command and control.
Copied your last.
Every progenitor gate has data spires. With a bit of reprogramming, we can use them as large sensor receivers.
Good idea. Adding marker now. Recommend deploying strike craft to interface with the data spire immediately.
Coming through. Receiving. Pushing into SO. Lead. Please check figures and echo back.
Not this first. I don't want any surprises.
Ready.
Interceptor production complete.
Ops, did you track that hostile signal? Was there for a moment, then nothing.
Raven flight. Signal is consistent with ships flying in close proximity to terrain structures. Stay on alert.
Receiving. Scout on station.
Group 2 reinforced.
Gate control module and power node alignment crane. Overrides look good. stand by. Almost there. Capture in 3, 2, 1. Capture. Coupling's detached. Done deal. We're moving out.
Gate control module online. Primer sequence start. 7% and holding.
Send message. We're on the move.
Data Spire captured. Stand by for sensor integration. And Data Spire online. Objective complete. Nice hack, Command.
Thanks, Intel. Structure scans show a viable module location ahead.
The second GCM is located here. Scout the location and establish a safe area of operations.
Mothership ready for speed increase upgrade. Just let us know when you want to initiate Fleet Command.
Attention.
There goes another one. Raven 222, did you see that? Receiving.
Upgrade complete.
More Kalen Raiders detected. Engage and destroy. We must protect our assets. Be advised, proximity to or within the gate structure will prohibit sensor visibility.
Got it. Enemy strike craft. Break defend. Attacking strike craft. Intel called it. Ambush! Break and roll in.
Caution, resource controller taking damage.
That did it. Ready to copy. Send transmission.
Nailed it. That did it.
Establishing security orbit.
Kill.
Lead out, copy.
Immediate threat clear. Resuming standard combat protocols.
Systems go.
Group 2.
Enemy missile frigate detected. Engage and destroy.
Group 1. Reinforced.
I've fought these before. They can be deadly. Use terrain elements as cover.
We're in trouble. Control.
Ships in passive or neutral stance will use cover as much as possible.
Got it. Ready to copy. Cover when you can. Blast whatever you see. Material site locked in. Collection underway. We copy. Target.
These frigates carry most of their armor on their bow sections, and that leaves them weaker on their rear flanks. Attacks on their aft sections will do more damage.
Sensor alert. Enemy strike ready.
Watch Group 2. They're taking losses.
Receiving.
Interceptor production complete.
Flight's over.
Group 2 reinforced.
Objective complete. Move a resource controller to the location indicated and reconnect the second gate control module.
Controller copies. Move complete.
New heading. Move us out.
Helm, plot and execute. Batteries engaged on lock ID.
Mothership. This is command.
Fleet, recon lead. We're on station. Okay, Command. We've secured the package. Setting return vector. We have capture orders. Spin up collectors, but keep an eye on the one.
Second GCM placed. Nice work. Objective complete.
Control module accepted. Gate primer charge increasing.
Alert. Hostile strike craft engaging.
Caution, resource controller is under fire.
Recon here. Wind fleet hostile track. Frigate close. Controller requesting support. Enemy strike craft.
Interceptor production complete.
Contact. Recon here.
Group 2 reinforced.
Ship destroyed. Enter out. Targeting strike craft. Contact. Strike craft. Target down. Interceptor. Contact. Enemy strike craft. Ready. Attack strike craft.
Intel, I'm starting to have serious concerns about what's been done to these gate control modules.
What do you mean?
I've spent half my life studying everything Karen Sajet learned about the gate network, and this level of sabotage would take me weeks to work out. Are these raiders known for their tech knowledge?
Not really. It's been my experience that Kalen Raiders' science policy is to hit a new piece of technology till it does what they want, or it breaks.
Command channel open. Mothership realignment underway.
Receiving. Go for recon. Ops, update for you. Target site is logged in and looking great. Expect materials uptick shortly. Good try. Scratch one. That's it.
Group 1 is in trouble.
Enemy strike craft on. Standing by. Ready. Interceptor on deck. 7 figures.
Caution, resource controller hull integrity at 75%.
Ready. DC, command.
Caution.
This is the final active control module. Secure the area and dock the GCM. The mothership must be relocated to this position for gate entry.
Engineering here. Bomber production is now online.
Confirmed, engineering. Begin bomber construction. This strike craft class unit is less maneuverable, but more effective against capital ships.
They'll give the missile frigates a hard time. Controller here. Go ahead. We're fleet. We're in trouble. Controller is under fire. Push through. Watch for locks.
Research complete.
Awaiting orders.
Be advised, missile frigates on sensors. Recommend high-speed strike craft flybys, followed by rear and flank attacks.
Standing by. Understood.
Group 1 reinforced.
Alert, resource controller hull integrity at 50% and falling.
Send message. Understood. Route laid in. Targeting frag. Recon. Fleet. Controller's critical. We need support.
Warning, resource controller nearing critical. Hull integrity at 25%.
Send transmission. Direct hit. Systems go. On me. Maintain visual. Received. Attack. Here on alert. Hostile strike craft engaging. We need cover.
Caution, resource controller has been engaged.
Over interceptor.
Upgrade complete.
Caution, resource controller hull integrity at 75%.
Interceptor production complete.
Heads up. First batch of bombers rolling off the line.
At 75%.
Looking good. Understood. Relax. Confirmed. Executing.
Mothership. New position set. Move us out.
Coordinates confirmed. We're moving. Controller is on the move. Ready.
Group 2 reinforced.
Scout on station. Ready. DC, interceptor lead. Echo back with SLS clearance. Go for interceptor. DC, this is flight lead looking to put down. Echo back. Fleet,
Bomber production complete.
in position and standing by. Send transmission. Recon here. Copy that. Adjusting vector. Ops, we are in position. Collection underway. Launcher scopes. Let's go. Coming about on escort. Lead, come in. Go with message. Adjusting.
Setting scan vector.
Awaiting orders. Confirm. Send. Receiving. Send message. Copy that.
Group 3 reinforced.
Clear and copy. Ready. Green line confirmed. Marked. Factoring in. Just trying to clear up some packet losses with fleet men. Recon. Complete. Ready to copy.
Channel open. Stand by.
Systems go. Send. Ready to copy. Flight is on station. We're ready.
Resource controller complete and ready for operation.
Understood. Fix and fire all threats. Controller inbound. Where do you want us, lead? Copy. Flight inbound. Standing by. ELS down, moving in. On me. Maintain visual. Inbound on position. Confirm him. Frigate, target contact. Enemy frigate on scope. Engaging frigate.
Group 3 needs support.
Collectors around. Materials up incoming.
Our strike craft are getting hit hard. Recommend we research a hull integrity upgrade and give our pilots more time in battle.
Caution, resource controller taking damage. Group 3 is in trouble.
Operations.
Hostiles cleared. Move a resource controller to the marked gate control module.
Controller here. Go ahead. Green line confirmed. Go for bomber.
Group 3 reinforced.
Copy that.
Placing the last GCM will put the gate back in operation, and we can use it to jump directly to Noctua 27.
Detected. Enemy strike craft. Repeat standing by.
Interceptor production complete.
Recon here. Channel open. Got it. Understood.
Let's see.
SO calculating and open for link. Awaiting figures lead.
Upgrade complete.
Final GCM locked in. Mission completed. Command, activate gate when ready.
Gate primer initiation sequence, start. Preparing transit protocols. Wait, short jump hyperspace signature detected. I felt this waveform before. It's another Raider carrier.
This is Pack Leader Baldrokas. I have demands of you, Sage.
Who?
You. One who fights for your quantum witch.
Enough riddles. If you want to negotiate, stand down.
No negotiations. Only truth. This I offer only once. You will leave here, Giant. Leave the God's Gate shut.
We are on a life or death mission to get...
Life. When Higaran's gone, only death follows.
Neutralize the enemy Raider carrier to ensure safe gate transit.
Enemy strike craft. Clean kill. Receiving. Good kill. Board just lit up. Area is depleted. Enemy carrier engaged.
Mothership coordinates acquired. We are in position for gate transit.
You will not win a fight with the Higaran fleet.
No winning for us. No winning for you. Only survival in chains.
No one is putting Higarans in chains again.
You with it. Copy you. You're within minimum merge range. Pull around. Recon here. Green line set. Frigate tracked in BA. We have incoming. Send message. Hostile eliminated. Hostile planes go. Lead him in. Take set.
My people are strong but few. Caught between an oblivious giant and a mad god.
13 strike craft on approach. Meet him head on. Thrust output to left. Critical damage.
Group 3 reinforced.
Range. Threat detected. Enemy strike craft. Sensor.
Group 2 reinforced.
Target destroyed. Strike craft.
Engaging core bearer. Their quantum witch will consume all to take you. You will stop at nothing until consumed. A universe destroyed between wills.
Clean kill.
Got it.
Tracking's in and out. Going back. Nailed it. Good kill. Good shot.
Check your lead.
Receiving. Ready. Ship destroyed. Bomber here. In range. Watch your lead. That did it. Send message.
Group 3 reinforced.
Retower just lit up.
carrier down. Clear the field of remaining hostiles. Prepare for hyperspace.
Enemy ship destroyed.
Reactor pressure spike.
Scratch. Taking heavy damage. Closing on strength.
Group 2 reinforced.
Send it. Taking heavy damage. Push through. Ship drop. Direct hit.
Hostiles eliminated. Sensors clear.
Sensor data's degrading. Contacts are definitely clean.
Fleet-wide comms open. Attention all personnel. You have each just received a mission briefing. Contained within are the most up-to-date details about this morning's hyperspace attacks. Nothing is redacted, because I want you to know what is at stake. We have been tasked with finishing Karen's Jet and the 5th Fleet's mission. Discover the source of the anomaly, and stop it once and for all. I know we were expecting a simple shakedown cruise. Many of you are feeling overwhelmed, doubting yourselves. But ask yourselves this, Fleet. How does doubt stack up to Higaran training? Where does doubt hide in the most advanced mothership ever created by Higaran hands? And who would follow a course laid by doubt when we already have the finest navigator of our generation? I have no doubt. We will succeed. Intel out.
Do you truly believe that, Isaac?
Believe what?
What you just told the fleet.
Out there, in battle, doubt can kill you just as fast as hard vacuum. They need you to bury yours, so they can overcome theirs.
So, we lied to them?
Whatever it takes to complete the mission. We have orders.
The quantum tunnel is stable. Stand by for gate commitment on my mark. Damping fins to gate transit configuration.